It's a sea day on the Carnival Firenze, and we're doing all of our favorite sea day things today, starting with one of my favorites, a sea day workout.
We're gonna go around. Another section over here.
Moving to spot number 2. We always get with KaylaMar is a good workout, and it seems to always be a good view. In the words of Anwar, we got Queen Keisha in the building. Woo! 40 squats, 40 push-ups, and a mile. KaylaMar group workout was a hit, as usual. And now it's time to get some food. Because once you work out, you gotta, refuel. So, I mean, what's the best place to refuel? Refuel. What's the best place to refuel, RJ? Brunch. Brunch. Let's go to brunch, y'all. Next up is one of RJ's favorites, Sea Day Brunch. Sea Day Brunch is located in the main dining room. Simply check in through your app, let them know your party size, and you'll get a notification when your table is ready. So I got my veggie omelet and my steak. Ray got chicken sausage and French toast. Another piece of French toast. RJ got his skillet cake and his steak. It's time for some family time at one of RJ's favorite areas, Carnival WaterWorks.
On the deck, they have it where you can get drinks, mixed drinks. They ready for you. Whatever you need, they got it. And this is the view for a sea day as we're on our way to Ensenada. It's a very nice, beautiful day. Kind of windy, but it's usually windy on the top deck anyway. So it's kind of a windy day. The sun is out. It's probably about 85, 86. This is the water slide here on the Carnival Firenze. They have a small splash pad here for the kids. I would actually say this is probably more for smaller kids. RJ enjoyed it a little bit, but it's more of a smaller splash pad for kids. And so it has 3 water slides on it. It has 1 open water slide and then 2 where you have to, where it's covered up all the way. So you don't know what's gonna happen, except for that, like at the end, you can do it's clear, so you kind of see where you're going. But overall, that's how that water slide, these how the water slides are. So it's 1, so this is 1 here. And then as you see those 2 guys just popped up at the same time. So it's like almost racing slides. And this is some more of the kids splash pad as well.
Area on the ship, WaterWorks. It's for the kids, but I'm a big kid at heart, so I had to hit that slab myself. RJ is enjoying it. Ray went to see if he can find a place for us to go live later today. I'm getting ready to go over here because there's a little basketball game going on, and I want to show y'all some of it. And we've yet to have a guy's burger. Well, I've yet to have a guy's burger, so it's time to change that. Of course, I had to try the Italian style guy's burger. Let's see what it's giving. I didn't put anything extra on it. I just got some pickles on the side. listen, that's got a kick. That's kind of spicy. So it's got a mozzarella brick on it. And I think this is bacon bits. Or no, it's pepperoni. Pepperoni, mozzarella brick, and pizza sauce. I like it. I think it's good.
Now you know my mama love pickles.
I do love pickles.
Except pickle flavored cake.
Pickle flavored cake. It does not beat a regular guy's burger though. Alright you guys, so it has been a busy sea day. We have been doing all kind of water stuff, fun things with the family, but also just kind of hanging out and chilling. Right now we're getting ready to go to the Limelight Lounge on deck 4 because that is where our next group event is. We're going to be at the cocktail hour at the Limelight Lounge, so I'm getting ready to try to find it. Let me show y'all something. One thing that's been really cool is every elevator bank has one of these maps, and you can just go to the map, look for what you're looking for. Everything is organized by what type of place you're looking for. So like I was looking for Limelight Lounge, so I went to entertainment. Limelight Lounge is on deck 4. I can go right here to deck 4, go across, and find a Limelight Lounge. So that means I just gotta walk this way. Oh yes, and if you're wondering where RJ is with Cousin Jazzy right now. Didn't really think that the cocktail hour was the best place for a 10-year-old, so he's hanging out with his cousin. They're going to the warehouse, which is the what do you call it? The warehouse, which is the arcade on board. So that's where he will be. Hey y'all! Hey, what's up? Oh, look, y'all got happy hour t-shirts here. Come on in. Y'all don't even know why. Hey there. Key and Shelton coming in looking all fly.
Got my man Ray in the building. We're gonna be respectful. Okay? We're gonna do the clean version. Got my man Ray here. We gotta get to it. We got, how much time we got left? Hold on. Okay, we got 15 minutes left.
Okay.
Hold on. Where my mama at?
She right there. Right here.
Come on, ma.
I don't know where you gonna put 20 at.
We gotta get to it, but not you. This is the second Me Not Cruise. We appreciate y'all coming through. We appreciate y'all. Next year we're gonna do it even bigger.
Yeah.
But we're gonna enjoy this free drinks for an hour for the next 15 minutes. I need y'all to drink about 5 more. Excuse me, right? We celebrate right now. All right. Y'all ready? Yeah. Everybody, man.
Cheers. What's up, everybody? It's Kiki.
And Ray.
And we just popped in to just take a moment to invite you to subscribe to the channel.
Yes.
If you're liking the content, go ahead and click the little like button. Click that subscribe button so that you can get more of our content, and click that notification bell so that you don't miss the next video. Because we got more coming.
Yes.
We got more coming.
Yes.
And if you're feeling extra special, go ahead and click that join button and become a member of the channel. What do you get as a member of the channel?
Things that other folks don't get.
Exclusive content, early access to our videos, and first-hand knowledge of our travel plans. So go ahead and click that join button if you're interested. And think you should let me get back to the video?
Get back to the video.
Let's get back to the video.
See y'all later.
Bye. So we ended up going for Seafood Shack today, and you know I'm happy because I got my crab legs. Yes, yes, yes. RJ got his calamari again. Ray, what did you say about the catfish on the buffet?
It needs salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder.
It need all the same stuff the
Paprika.
chicken need.
Chicken needed some salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, and a little bit of love.
Hey y'all, we just came off Sunday Shenanigans Live, so thank you for everybody that was there.
Thank y'all so much.
If you didn't catch it, make sure you check out the replay. If the Carnival Firenze had a statement piece, this was definitely it. The atrium was gorgeous, and there always seemed to be some type of performance going on here every time we walked through.
Do you see this?
What is it?
It's
Demarcations.
Alright, you guys, so it is 80s night on board, and we got on our 80s wear. Listen, we went like old school movies, bull sports. Like, I'm rocking the Chucky jersey, Ray walking the Bulls t-shirt. That's the old school Bulls t-shirt, right?
Yeah.
That's what we decided to do for 80s. Do it your way, alright? It's 80s night. Everybody's partying it up out here. It's cold as I don't know what, but we're gonna try to stick it out for a little bit.
So y'all, we attempted to go to the 80s rock and glow party. It's freezing outside. It is cold, cold. Wind blowing, cold. It can't be no more than 60 degrees out there. It's freezing. Yeah. Even though we always advocate for traveling with kids, don't get it twisted. Ray and I always make some time just for us on every sailing. We love sushi, and though we've never eaten inside Bonsai sushi, we always manage to get some to go. So that's what we did this time. We grabbed some sushi to go, and then as we were walking past the piano bar, we noticed there was a sister on the keys, so we had to go in and support.
And there he was, this young boy, a stranger to my eyes, drumming my pain with his fingers. One time. Let's take a